Today's the day, Monday, July 13th. The new merch pass on Shop Disney is live, and I'm going to walk you through it right now. I'm now on the Shop Disney website in Google Chrome. This is Shop Disney's preferred web browser. First, let's sign into our registered Shop Disney account. Once you're signed in, scroll down to the Castle Collection. You'll notice that it now says the drawings are now opened. Enter here. Click the Enter Here button. On this page, you can see the entire list of items for sale and their prices, but you'll also notice that it gives you the available number of each item. For example, there are 4,953 castles, 958 ornaments, 9,263 pins, 2,713 puzzles, and 3,768 journals. I'm interested in the ornament and the pin, so I'm going to put my drawing in for only those two items. Once I've selected the items I want, I scroll down to the bottom. You'll see the instructions for how and when you'll be notified if you're chosen in the drawing. It says you'll be notified by July 16th at 5 p.m. Pacific Time, which is 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, if you've been selected. And you'll have through the end of the day on July 17th to complete your order. And while it does not specifically state this, we'll assume that by the end of the day, that means by July 17th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time, July 18th at 2:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, because everything is 3 hours later on the East Coast. Select the radio button that says, I agree to the promotion terms, and then click Submit. And that's it. It says you've entered the drawing. It reminds you to check your email on Thursday, July 16th. If you do not receive an email by 5 p.m. Pacific Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, then you were not selected to purchase any items. You'll notice that there were some differences in what was explained to me on the phone. You can see that in this video right here. Most notably, I was not taken directly to the Merch Pass page right after I logged in. I had to scroll down the page until I came to the Castle Collection and click on that link. But if you're having a problem finding the link, I have included it in the show notes below this video. It should take you directly to the page to enter the drawing. Just make sure that you're logged in. Remember that registration closes at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time on July 14th, which is 2:59 a.m. on July 15th. I hope this has helped you to navigate this new system. If so, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Until then, remember,
no kicks!